What is this?
It's Microsoft Excel. Now hold still, I'm about to perform a miracle.
You're crazy, there's no time.
Now Wilson just wants this year, right? First we'll put in the names of the tours. Tennis, golf, safari. Total.
Right.
Q1, Q2 ought to do it. She wants to see a 10% growth?
Yeah.
I'll work up the first 2 quarters.
You only have 2 quarters here, aren't you gonna finish it?
No, but Microsoft Excel is. Watch this. It's called autofill. It's going to finish the table for me. I just drag this little cross as far as I want the data extended. Check it out. Excel picks up on trends, totals, quarters, dates, and does the projections for me.
Oh, my career is over, gone. Look, you're not gonna make it.
Not unless I make room for this title.
What? Start all over?
Don't panic. I'm just going to drag the table over here and make room for it.
Hey, did you just drag that?
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Okay, watch this. Add that title. A little bigger. Centered.
Nah, it still doesn't look right.
Click on the auto format. Our superhero shops through several professionally designed formats and applies one
That one.
with a click of his mighty mouse.
I can't believe it. You did it. We did it. It looks great. This is a miracle.
This is Microsoft Excel.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
What was that?